Guys, look at my place here. It's really cold. Look at the snow, man. It's amazing. I can even try to go out at this time. It's so cold. But it's still here. Look, I'm wearing a sandals because I have a heater inside. Look at the school over there, the elementary school. And the other one is the high school. It's quite far. And the museum right over there.